kids! Welcome back to XoraTale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter V. Are you ready? Let's go! V for van. Van. V for vase. Vase. V for vegetables. Vegetables. V for violin. Violin. Let's repeat it again. V for van. V for vase. V for vegetables. V for violin. V for vest. Vest. V for village. Village. V for vine. Vine. V for voice. Voice. Let's repeat it again. V for vest. V for village. V for vine. V for voice. V for volcano. Volcano. V for video. Video. V for vacuum. Vacuum. V for veggies. Veggies. Let's repeat it again. V for volcano. V for video. V for vacuum. V for veggies. V for van. Van. V for vulture. Vulture. V for violet. Violet. V for visit. Visit. Let's repeat it again. V for van. V for vulture. V for violet. V for visit. V for victory. Victory. V for volleyball. Volleyball. V for vehicle. Vehicle. V for vote. Vote. Let's repeat it again. V for victory. V for volleyball. V for vehicle. V for vote. Now you've learned the letter V. Let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, V for van. What is this? Great, V for vase. What is this? Good job, V for vegetables. What plays music? Yes, V for violin. What helps clean the house? Right, V for vacuum. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter W.